The Berne Heartland Wash Duck Hooded Work Jacket is meticulously designed to provide superior warmth, durability, and flexibility for professionals on the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This rugged jacket combines traditional craftsmanship with modern features to ensure top performance in all work conditions. Crafted from a 12-ounce 100% cotton sanded duck shell, this jacket offers robust protection. It is lined with heavyweight insulation quilted to polyester brushed tricot in the body and medium-weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta in the sleeves, providing layered warmth that is essential during colder months. The design includes a 3-piece insulated hood with a drawstring and knit storm cuffs and waistband, all meticulously engineered to trap heat and block cold air. Mobility is key in any work garment, and this jacket features pleated elbows and an action back to enhance the range of motion, allowing for easier movement during physical tasks. Durability is ensured with a heavy-duty brass front zipper, brass rivets at all stress points, and triple needle-stitched main seams, which are built to withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear. The jacket is also equipped with ample storage, including 3 inside pockets, 1 with a zipper closure, and 2 front patch pockets, offering plenty of space to securely store tools and personal items. The Berne Heartland Wash Duck Hooded Work Jacket is not just a piece of clothing. It's a vital piece of workwear for those who require reliability and functionality in their daily tasks.